Here are the top 10 barbecue recipes, starting with the most popular done. Number 1. Pulled pork, a classic barbecue dish made by slow cooking a whole pork shoulder until it is shreddable. It is a versatile meat served on sandwiches, tacos, or nachos. Number 2. Beef brisket, a beef cut known for its rich flavor and juicy texture. Brisket is typically smoked over low heat for several hours. Cooking a great brisket is the one cook that makes you a real pitmaster. Number 3. Pork ribs, another classic barbecue staple. Pork ribs are typically smoked over low heat until they are tender and have the right tug. If they fall off the bone, you overcook them. Number 4. Grilled chicken. Chicken is a popular barbecue option that can be cooked in various ways, such as grilling, smoking, or rotisserie cooking. Number 5. Grilled salmon. Salmon is a healthy and flavorful option for barbecuing. It can be grilled with a variety of marinades or sauces. Number 6. Grilled shrimp. Shrimp is a quick and easy option for barbecuing. It can be grilled with a variety of marinades or sauces. Number 7. Grilled vegetables. Vegetables are a healthy and delicious addition to any barbecue. They can be grilled with a variety of marinades or sauces. Remember not to cross-contaminate your cooking grates if you are cooking for vegans. Number 8. Barbecue corn. Corn is a classic barbecue side dish. It can be grilled with or without the husk. Number 9. Coleslaw. Coleslaw is a refreshing and tangy side dish perfect for barbecues. You can spice it up by adding jalapenos and pineapple. Number 10. Potato salad. Potato salad is a creamy, flavorful side dish perfect for barbecues. Just like the coleslaw, you can add some heat and sweet. Mustard is also a great thing to add to increase the flavor of the potato salad. So these are the top 10 most popular recipes, and if you are just starting out learning to barbecue, I recommend starting with pulled pork and grilled chicken. Master those, move on to seafood, and then do a brisket. Barbecue is a great skill to master. The best part is that your family and friends eat great food and spend time together. Till next time.